once again, we back at 10 Man Net Shop, man. You know too much. Guess what? The host.
You got that motherfucking guy in here now.
Alright. Listen, once again, man, this shit, but listen, you people still get on 10 Man Net, tweet and let us know. You feel what I'm saying? Cause see, the name of the show will either be I'm Just Saying or Hypothesis. You let us know. You let us know.
Found the spoon.
But listen.
That's the name of the show. Found the spoon.
Listen, man, my host here, so I know he gonna dig this. Listen, topic of the day. Do pigs have reels? Do pigs have reels? Do pigs have reels? Where the fuck they get pork reels from? Do pigs have reels?